looking straight. Sorry, I'm looking in a hat. All right, so it's looking from down here. Okay, the second pupil requested outside the online. I requested on how to shape your eyebrows. Okay, so most time, so it's advisable you have your brows drawn. Okay, anyhow, just draw it. Just not anyhow. Sorry, make sure that it's starting from here. Okay, where your nose start, like the bridge of your nose starts from, that's where you start from. And make sure that when you are carving your brow, like I'm looking at the mirror now, make sure that the hack starts from your pupils, like directly on your pupil. Let me use this for a very good one. So this is where my pupil starts from, like, sorry, the end of my pupil, where it started from, because this is the beginning of my pupil, not here. You're gonna mess it up like that. So it's gonna be from this, looking straight from. So if I were you, I'll get a pencil to mark here. Okay, and then get your arc. That is where you start shaping from. That is where you start your shape, your high brow shaping from. Okay, so I'm going to start from that angle now. Just to make it look clean, nothing more. You're not cutting all your brow hair off. It's something you can do. Practice make perfect. You keep trying it out, and you're going to be good in it. And make sure that you're using this blade. This microblading blade that most people use. Okay, so use this blade. Don't use razor blade, because while you're cutting, you can get yourself injured, and it's sharper. Not that this is not sharp. This is extra sharp, but this is clinically safe. Put it that way. I don't know if it's correct, but clinically safe. This is what you need, and that is all. You don't need to go up here and start trimming it down. What you need to do when your brows is longer is when you now have to use the scissors to cut it. Okay, do not use blade to achieve it, except you're not a beginner, you've done it, and you are good at it, you've done it and you've come out safe doing that. Then fantastic, you can go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go with the next eye now, so you see exactly what I did. As I mentioned, start from the second end of your pupil, or your pupil. Just let me, so I won't confuse you too much. And you can see I'm not coming here, I'm not going here. I'm starting from the arc here, where the arc starts, and that is where I am trimming from. So what the brows has done, drawing with my brows, has helped guide me on where not to go to and where to stop. Okay, so that's the whole essence of me telling you to draw your brows before shaping your brows. And for those that have, you have your microblading tattoo and your hair grows outside it, this is what is meant for you. I mean, so that you don't need to spend so much more. You start looking for how to, in your area, you can just easily get your blade or your microblading blade, and then just scrape it off. Very easy, and that is it. Voila. Isn't it easy? Are you gonna be trying it? Let me know in the comments if you're gonna be trying this very soon, and let me know the outcome. Did you try? You can tag me in your video, in your stories. I'll really love to know and see how you were able to shape in your eyebrows. Bye for now.